This is a classic Chris Reeve large Sebenza. This is the supremely classic large Sebenza 21. It cost me $410 in 2012. It features the groundbreaking locking mechanism used in the current Numzab and now the 31. And it has an S35 VM blade with a titanium handle. Its ergonomics feel just right, and its sandblasted finish give it a pleasing tactile feel. Currently the website shows that its current equivalent is now the Sebenza 31, and it's an excellent choice for anyone wanting a quality EDC to use for nearly every job. But the Sebenza 21 is a true classic. However, it sits in my safe and has never been used even to cut a piece of paper. So why is that? Well, it's all down to the grandfather of knife making, Chris Reeve himself. Chris has been a prominent industry figure for over 3 decades and was essential in helping to develop the CPM S35 VN steel. Perhaps most importantly, he invented the trademark Reeve integral lock. It's essentially the locking mechanism found in many modern knives sold today. And if you have a knife that requires your thumb to push its retaining lock or frame out of the way, the chances are that's using a licensed Reeve integral lock design. In the early 80s, Chris was a tool and die maker in South Africa, but by the mid 80s he was manufacturing knives full time. And in 1989 he moved his modest business to Boise in Idaho. Like me, Chris rides a BMW GS Adventure motorcycle, a bike well known for its build quality, reliability and all-round usefulness. And it is these attributes that Chris builds into his knives. I had the pleasure of meeting Mr. Reeve at a presentation he gave a few years ago. He said there was only one way to do anything, and that was to do it right. And over the years it's clear that he has made that an obsession. He is not interested in making the shiniest or most attention-grabbing knives, or offering a wide array of choice to tempt varied and eclectic tastes. No. To retain imperious quality, the number of his offerings are very modest, and the function must always trump their form. His knives are like the tools he once made. They exist to meet the requirements of the job. Pure and simple, nothing more and nothing less. They won't hold appeal with those who only see an expensive and plain knife. But for those who believe that quality is remembered long after the price has been forgotten, will surely appreciate the focused dedication to the aspects which truly matter in a knife. The devil is in the detail, and not everyone can see the genius in the pure simplicity. As Steve Jobs once said, complexity is easy, simple is very difficult. I have a feeling if Steve was still alive, we'd only be able to buy one iPhone and in one colour. Because like Chris, Steve would say that's the best we can make it, why settle for anything less? And so why do I not use my Sebenza 21? Well, Mr. Reeve was kind enough to sign this unblemished Sebenza 21 for me back in 2014. And if Steve Jobs had signed an original iPhone for you, what would you do?